My name is Yash. I am a student at the Rotman Commerce program at the University of Toronto, and I'm specializing in finance economics.
Hi, my name is Mohammed, and I'm currently specializing in public accounting at Rotman Commerce.
Hi, my name is Margaux. I'm part of Rotman Commerce, and I'm specializing in management. Here are some tips and tricks that have helped us navigate course enrollment.
In your first year, all your courses are chosen for you, so it makes your life a lot easier.
In addition to my mandatory courses, I also took seminar courses as an elective, and these were a great way to get to form my little community on campus.
We have access to a bunch of online resources and in-person resources. With in-person resources, there are academic advisors which are split up and they're dedicated to you. So you can go in, book an appointment with them, kind of ask them about how you're doing on track to graduation, courses you should be taking, maybe course suggestions because they have experience about talking to other students, about if you're not going to make a course, they could advise you on your options at the time.
Because I was part of a first-year learning community in first year and I had my required courses set up, I was really lucky that I only had to figure out what the 2 electives would be. And my favorite tool for planning that was the timetable planner, which basically you can put in any courses that you'd like and it sets up the timetable perfectly for you. And that really sort of gave me a little bit of peace of mind. I was able to set up a few different schedules to figure out what I wanted my day to be like.
With your electives, you can take courses that will help you get your breadth requirements out of the way. Breadth requirements are necessary to graduate, and most Rotman courses only cover 1 or 2 of them. I took courses related to areas such as science and also in anthropology to help me explore my horizons as well as get these breadth requirements out of the way so I can focus more on my core courses in my upper years.
So one of my big tips for first years would be to take it slow and easy and sort of work yourself into the new schedule, into your new learning style that the university brings with it. And I know especially with Rotman students, there's definitely a pressure there to get everything done and to be able to have everything on your resume, but I really think it's important to have a great foundation on which you can build the rest of your 4 years at U of T.